Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to enable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp, and after that guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the three dotted icon. Tap on that three dotted icon, and after that tap on settings. And on this interface guys, you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here scroll down until you can find the chat backup option available for us. Tap on chat backup, and over here again at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the end-to-end encrypted backup option available for us. Tap on it and tap on turn on, and over here you'll be required to create a password. So you can use the 64-digit encryption key instead, but that's upon you. I'll be just creating a password because it would be a hassle. So let's tap on the create password, and let's type the password over here. You can type whichever you like guys. It must contain at least 6 characters and 1 letter, you can see. Let's type on next and enter your password again for reconfirmation, and after that you'll be over here on this section after tapping on next, and over here tap on create, and it will back up a few things you can see over here, and then the end-to-end encryption will be turned on or enabled on WhatsApp on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to enable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.